What is meant by GDP? We often hear that GDP has increased and decreased in newspapers and TV channels. Otherwise, most of us may not know what is the GDP is. So, what is actual GDP? How is it calculated? Let us know why it is so important. GDP is called gross domestic products. That means that the total value of all the final goods and services sold in a country over a period of 1 year is GDP. Suppose there is a supermarket. For example, it sold a soap worth 20 rupees, a chocolate worth 10 rupees, and a book worth 50 rupees. Then it is one day GDP will be 80 rupees. Similarly, when the total value of goods produced and sold throughout the country is combined, it becomes the GDP of that country. However, not all products reach this GDP. For example, if a Japanese company sells a machine in India, it doesn't reach our GDP. Japan meets the country in GDP. Secondary items should not be counted in this GDP. Only final items have to be counted. Suppose, for example, there is a tire and seat used in a car. We cannot use them directly, but making a car with them can be used. Here, tire and seat are secondary objects, and the car is the ultimate object. The value of these final items in GDP is calculated only. Let us take another example. Suppose there is a coffee powder. We cannot eat it directly, but you can drink coffee with it. So here coffee powder comes under secondary object. Coffee comes into ultimate object. And we hear that our GDP has fallen, which means that our country does not sell much of our goods. This means that goods from neighboring countries are more likely to be bought. If this happens, companies in our country will not produce much goods because they are not buying goods made in our country. Without a product, the company does not have any profits. There will be no new jobs with it, or removing existing employees. In order to grow our GDP again, we need to buy more of our products made in our country. Then companies in our country make the most of the goods. It's regularly jobs also increase. The GDP reveals how a country economic situation is. As a regular process, a country GDP is growing. It means that the economy of our country is growing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also called for buying goods manufactured in our country.
If you receive any articles from our channel, Rishi Views, subscribe our channel, hit the bell, like, share and comment.